All right, it is time for our weekly update. I just finished filming a video a second ago, and that was I made a video where I interviewed ChatGPT and basically had it give a response to Brandon Sanderson's take on AI and art. So that was really fun. That should be available on the channel probably before this weekly update comes out. I'm going to try and get back into doing these basically every single week, just to give you guys an update and give you guys my thoughts. Also, I'm bad at making content, so it makes me do that consistently. So let's give ourselves a being. Currently, I'm working on a book that you guys have not heard about so far on YouTube. It is called Everdarken. Perhaps the title will change, perhaps not. Essentially, the entire idea is there's a world without the sun, and it's always had no sun for about 400 years, and so we follow along with a criminal as they are executed, and then somehow they become the replacement for a dying god and have to die every day in order to resurrect the soldiers of the Dark Wall so that the soldiers can keep on fighting against the dark monsters that come out of the dark. So similar to, many different dark setting books, but hopefully it has some fun takes. I am currently, as of today, I am 38% done with this first draft. And the hope is that this will be launching as a Kickstarter in May 15th, I believe, is the goal. So well on my way towards finishing this book and getting it polished. I do want to give a statement on my views with AI in the future and try and make that really show my philosophical views on that and give you guys a very firm foundation on what I want to do in the future with AI and without AI. And here's a statement that I will hold true to with my entire career, and that statement is I will never use AI to write my books. That is just a line that I will never cross. And when it comes to editing too, I'm not that good with having AI edit my books. At the same time, we use AI to edit our books to some degree through spell check software, etc. I will work on giving my statement on that in a future video, but for now, you can have it that I will never use AI to write my book. So you have that there. You can quote that. So we have the Bing, 38%, so should finish that in the next couple of weeks. The deadline is March 15th, so I think I'm ahead of schedule, which is wonderful. When it comes to other projects, right now, we essentially have nothing going on, so just finishing Everdarken and getting that edited, as well as getting another short story ready to give to you guys for free. So keep up with that. I think I'm about being 77% done with getting a really fun science fiction short story done. It's a little bit longer for a flash fiction short story. So I'm just editing that up and making sure it's ready for you guys, but I will have that out to you soon. So if you want that and you want some of my other books and short stories for free, you can get that by signing up to my newsletter, which is in the link in the description, or at Xavier Schwindt, the name of this channel, myname.com. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a very blessed rest of your day. Blessings.